When guests arrive, the welcome scene will be triggered as soon as they open the door. With one tap on a panel, guests can personalize room ambience and choose lighting scenes to work or relax. Your guests can set the alarm to wake up naturally with lighting that simulates sunrise. No more fumbling in the dark. Improve wayfinding during the night with the automatic nightlight. And finally, your guests wake up naturally and feel refreshed with light. In the bathroom, your guest can choose a scene based on their need. Daytime setting with a crisp, bright light, or evening scene with soft, warm tones. Specially designed lighting recipes to match the right light with the exercise. Energizing white light, perfect for a workout, or a warm scene designed for yoga and relaxation. With green mode, guests can opt in to save energy with one tap and reduce the heating and air conditioning usage. The HVAC will turn off automatically if a guest opens their balcony door or window. Requesting services has never been so easy. Your guest can ask for a laundry pickup or a tray pickup at a single touch of a button. At the same time, providing you with an overview of all guest requests in your entire property.